Hi guys, as you can see the title today I'm going to rank the new gadgets. How good are they? Many new gadgets released. So I've changed my list of the best 10 gadgets and as you can see I'm going to show every single one of them. So the 10th best gadget is of Surge, Power Surge. Surge overloads his circuits and teleports a short distance forward. Let's try this gadget out. So let's play. Actually, I need only 3 trophies for 600. I can get that as well. So simple with this gadget. Look, I escaped from that Rosa so easily. Rosa, keep feeding me. Rosa, come on, dude. Keep feeding me. Want to get level upgrade? Look, this Rosa is literally feeding me. I don't know why. Why do I not have the star power? Oh, please get hit, Rosa. Ah, Rosa, please. Do not touch any of the shots. Please, Rose. Oh, nice one, B. One more hit, then I'll stop bullying this Rose. Ah, Rosa, come on. Blast it. Come on, Rose. Blast it. Thanks. Yeah, let's go. I'm bullying this Rosa very hard right now. I level upgraded so I could dodge this Leon. But he didn't did me anything. Ah, you will not kill me. I'll die myself. I cannot kill a 23 power Leon, but still this gadget is very OP. As you see, I bullied that Rosa very hard. So number 9 gadget on our list is, you are ready to see what that gadget is? That gadget is Dynamite Satchel Charge. Just look how easy it is to win with this gadget. I like this gadget a lot. I stun people pretty easily. Hey, noob Brock. Ha, noob. Noob. Not teaming with China. Hey Brock. Dare to jump over here. If anyone comes near, so that Leon will surely come for me. I have the satchel charge on for him. Just look what this gadget does. So, oh. Die. Noob. That's how you body people. Oh, that Spike scared. Die. Oops. I missed that. Will you please die, Spike? Ah, thanks. Let him take the bot. Let me activate this stupid gadget. So let's go. Oh no. Oops. I actually died before my gadget could split. Very sad. So you see the number 8, number 9 gadget actually on my list, sorry. The number 8 gadget is the healing gadget of bowl. So this gives bulls instant heal for 1500. Actually it's a very good gadget. So let's battle. Oh nice gold. Look how you survive in such circumstances with the gadget. Oh, an offline PAM. Pretty good gift to charge super. And I did it. If you dare to take this bot, oh thanks bot. Die. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this colt is pretty irritating. I'm surely going to get him. Let me get in range with him. Actually, I have both the gadgets in, but if I would have used my second gadget over here, I would have killed this colt pretty easily. Ha, no colt. Still, I have one gadget to survive from this colt. This Rohit is very angry. I don't understand why. Let me go away right now. Let me team up with Shelly to get that colt out of my face. Ah, noob colt. Oh no, this is too irritating. Look the survival in this gadget and look at the first place. This gadget is pretty OP. Look the circumstances, look the survival with the gadget, and look at the first place. So this number 8 gadget is pretty good. So the number 7 gadget on our list is going to be Jean's gadget. Let's play in solo showdown. It has 2 charges, pretty sad, but it pushes back the enemies like these Modus. I don't want to get hit by a Modus. Look. That's pretty sad that there was a stupid wall there and I couldn't push that Modus back. But I will show you another game with him so I can show you that how actually good is this gadget. There was a stupid wall right there. That's why the Modus survived. Let me take this thing. This chest, I mean, sorry, not thing. Let's go. I need to get him back to 600 as well. So, wish me good luck that I get a 3rd place. So, no one here, no one here. Nida in the middle. Why stupid? Why the hell there's a Nida there? She should be dead. She should be dead. She is almost dead. She died. Why the hell this is coming at me? Actually not good at all. Please go after Max. Stop bullying me, bot. I hate stupid bots. This is dying in the gas. just hate bots. Why these bots are so irritating? I hate bots. I couldn't show a gadget. Sorry guys. The stupid bot. Couldn't understand what the hell is the problem of the bots. So I have more range than Colt. I'll kill him easily if he comes in range, which he will surely don't want to. But this Modus, I'm angry with Modus. Should I team up? No, I should not. Okay, let me team up. That's how you kill a Modus. So simple as that. And look at the gadget push. See, that's how the gadget saves you from being bullied. Let's bully this one right now. Let's cut. So that's nice. Shut up, Brock. Stop following me. Let me get heal up, then I'll show you who's the boss and who's not. Let me get full health, you stupid Brock. Actually, one more brawler need to die. So just want one more to die. So this good gadget. So nice. I want one person to die literally, and I'm out of gadgets. That's sad. This Brock is getting bullied by the bot, and let's get him. Oh no. How much health he has? Why does the Colt cannot get him? Seriously need a person to die. Come on, can you die please? Now he's going to die. No, I am going to get this. And let's get him. First place, easy. Easy wins, guys, with the 7th best gadget. So now let's go at the 6th one. And the 6th gadget, after all, is the heal of the Poco. 6th best gadget is the heal of the Poco. The heal of Poco is pretty good. Very nice heals. He gets heals 400 per second for 4 seconds, which is pretty OP. So now let's go again. Teamers. Don't want that bot. Stay away from me. Why does these stupid bots follow me? Dude, he is not in my range and he should not. Why is he still following me? Look, the gadget survivals, everyone. And I got him as well. So simple as that. This one's following me like a pretty... Five brawlers left. I don't understand. This bot is seriously following me. Why cannot he go away? Hey, stay away. Hey, noob, stay away. What? So as you can guys see, I survived from that cold because of this gadget. This is a pretty good gadget. If that bot hadn't been following me, I would have killed the Shelly. So So the fifth best gadget of the game is Tara's. Tara's gadget psychic enhancer. She gets to see the bushes for 5 seconds. So this is supposed to be the fifth best gadget. So that's pretty good. Everyone, let's team up with the Colt. There's a stupid Leon right there. Leons are very scared of Tara. Did you know that Tara is pretty good against Leon? B, don't irritate me. Lol B. That's a power 10 B for sure. And I don't know that she has any coat or not. Let me go away from the B. I don't want to see bees at my face. So now if you want to see who is in the middle, look. Nova's in mid. Let me go mid. So this gadget is pretty OP. Why did I got myself appeared? Don't understand. I don't understand how that Colt survived, but still you see this gadget is very good. So the number 4th gadget on my list is supposed to be the Barley's gadget sticky stimulator. I don't know the name, sorry guys. But Barley throws a puddle around himself which slows the enemies. That's pretty good. I have the extra noxious star power as well of Barley and the Wizard Barley skin. I'm a pretty OP Barley and I don't team up with Pocos. Hey Poco. So let me get this one. Let me get the Shelly. So that's pretty good gadget. Gadget is number 4th on my list. Anyone there? Is anyone here? Anyone over here? Anyone over here? Anyone over here? Anyone over here? There's a Colt here. There's a... Let's team up with the Wizard Barley, dude. So similar, Barley. Hey, noob Shelly. What? Oh, Bandit. Look at the gadget. Look at the gadget, how it's load. That's a pretty good gadget to deal with. Let me get this bot slowed and let me use the super on the bot. Let me see how many health I could take off this bot. I took a lot of health, and as you can see the other guy used the same gadget as I was telling you, and I used it on the bot as well. You see how effective this gadget is. I take out lot of health of bot, so in real people I'll take a more health. Sorry guys. So the third best gadget of the game is Jackie's pneumatic booster. So Jackie gets a movement speed, 20% movement speed for I think 1.5 seconds. Charges per matches are 3. That's OP. That's cool. Let's go away. I don't want to fight with a Colt. Look at her with the crying Jackie pin. Hey, shut up Jackie. Shut up Dinah. Let me take this chest peacefully. No. Not this one. Let me team up with the Colt. Dinah over here. Dinah over here. Dinah's. Oh, there he is. Oh, The Daryl using his gadget. Look, the movement percent. Look, it got me help to cut out of 8 bits range. See, if this Daryl rolls near me, I have no fear of the Daryl. Huh, I got Colette so easily. Oh, and Diana is going ham on Spike. Let me go ham on Daryl's. No, Daryl is dead. As simple as that. Let me go and get the movement speed and get this 8-bit. See how OP is movement speed. Oh, bulldoze. Come out, bulldoze. I'll not kill you. So I have one gadget still to get this spike. I still have the number 4th gadget. Actually, this bot is letting me see where the spike is. Too nice. Okay, spike, stop hitting me. This bot is actually helping me. If this net would have not come over there, let me get this one. So easy dub with the number 4th gadget on our list, the Jackie's gadget. So the number 3rd gadget on our list is Sprout's Garden Mulcher. It's a very good and OP gadget. So let's go. So it's Sprout against a Primo. 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 Preems. Preems. And only problem of Sprout's gadget is that you need to find a wall to get heal up for 2000 health. So if you could find a bush, please stay in it. I recommend it pretty well. The number 2nd gadget on our list is Bee's 2nd gadget, Rattle Hive. I don't have that gadget actually, so I cannot show you the gadget. This gadget, Bee throws 3 bees and it circles around her in great distance and keeps circling until it reaches max distance, and the damage that he deals if the sting hits anyone is 1000. That's pretty good. So our final gadget, the number 1 gadget on the list, is Bolt's 2nd gadget, Stomper. It basically means when you charge your super and when you are in your super, you can click this gadget. Bolt will instantly stop in his super and will make a slowing puddle around himself. The enemies in the puddle cell will get slowed and Bolt can kill him easily. So it's difficult to charge Bolt super, so I'll try this in Brawl Ball. Simple as that. No, there's another Bolt. Oh, Poco double tank combo. So if I could stay away from the stupid, and this stupid Wi-Fi, if he doesn't come near me. Actually the Bulls scored because of the stupid Rosa in our team. Pretty angry from the Rosa, and this Poco doesn't know anything. Oh, that's a different issue. I want to push this ball in our goal, but first I want to show you the super. Can anyone please be in my range? So as you can see, I'm going in this car and I stopped him and slowed him down and got him killed over there. Hey, how are you still with 85 health? I don't know how he survived with 85 health, sorry. I got this gadget actually today itself, so I don't have that much experience. But still I have a pretty good experience. I've tried this gadget once in Brawl Ball and I actually succeeded. I slowed the Piper down. See how this you will slow people. Actually this game is not going pretty well because of a stupid Poco. That's only power. That's not power 10. And will this be a goal? Nice. Good team is scoring OP. Need the Piper to get him. Stupid Piper. Can anyone please stop shooting me? How the hell this comp was very boring because a Poco didn't know anything, but I can still play another game and show you exactly how this gadget works if we get good amount of teammates. Why we still have a power 7 Poco? I hate Pocos in my team and stupid Modus against us. I don't understand why these people don't know how to play. And this Colette will die. As simple as that. So let me go and score. Simple scoring. As that Colette got offline, thanks to Colette that she got offline. So I literally slowed these double people. If they can pass me the ball, I would pretty surely score. Pass me, yaar, these people are stupid. I would have scored pretty hard if these stupid people would have passed me. And now he's going for the score. And he didn't got it. Pretty good. Now he's passing me and he failed in that as well. That Spike is just a stupid player. He doesn't know anything. The three of them gone behind me. Our Poco is just a noob. He's just a power 7 noob. Thanks to the Colette I scored. And if the stupid people stopped the Gale, if they could have killed Gale before, we would have, and if they would have passed me in the first case, we would have had a chance to win. Because the goal was pretty over and he passed to Spike. They were just as stupid as we can see. And if these people score right, I'm going to kill my teammates. Shut up, Modus. You are nothing and you cannot do anything. Oh, nice. Nice, Spike. Nice. Nice stuff to do. Hey, shut up. Oi. So that's a pretty win. So you guys see how exactly this gadget works and this very OP gadget. So guys, this is going to be the end for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and nothing else. Have a great time.